Hey everyone, AJ Picard here, and what I decided to do is create a new channel on my YouTube. I'm going to keep this short and brief, but I want to celebrate kind of these small wins I'm having, and what I mean by that is I'm going to just start kind of making these videos, doing quick announcements around the products and just some milestones that I have achieved, and just to see my progress and document my progress. But this episode is very simple. I wanted to talk about myself successfully launching an update to my startup's website, Clava, and I just want to show you and kind of break down our the website and how I built it as well. So I'm going to do a new window, and we're going to do clavaapp.com, and this is the new website. I built it in Webflow. Our main goal is to allow these influencers to create exclusive experiences for their communities. We have the opportunity for them to apply now, or start the onboarding process. This is pretty much how it works. Very easy. Trying to keep this as clean as possible, and then do more with live events. So this is kind of like the overall concept. These influencers will create a group chat inside of Clava. This group chat has a 1,000 user cap, and in order to join these group chats, a user will have to purchase a time pass. Right now, mind you, when you create these group chats, this influencer is going to create something called a live event, okay? And these live events are what you see right here, right? These live video streamings. They then choose how long they want the live event to be, the description, and a link, okay? So this live event is an influencer going live on video and can chat as well. And it essentially is this exclusive time frame or experience that their community can get access to, but only 1,000 members can get access to it. So back to that time pass. In order to join this group chat or this influencers group chat, you're going to have to purchase a time pass. You can purchase a 15-minute pass, 30-minute pass, or an hour pass. It's the same time intervals as for a live event. A live event can be 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or an hour. And in this scenario, as a user, I would join this influencers group chat, and it would be a 15-minute time pass that I would purchase, and I would get access to this influencers group chat for 15 minutes if I was the first 1,000 users. Okay, so this is cool. This could be a great way for influencers to drop exclusive merch, to interact with just an exclusive 1,000 fans. I mean, they can do so many things, and doing this way through Clava naturally drives up the hype around their brand, the engagement, and the excitement. I mean, imagine if one of your favorite influencers was like, hey, get an exclusive look at my favorite, my latest video. You guys are going to be the only 1,000 that get access to this video. Or a rapper that wants to drop a snippet of a new hit single that they're about to release, but they want it to release it to an exclusive 1,000 people. You could do all that in Clava, and we have so many new features to do that we're going to be adding and things like that. But we're aiming to launch at 12/31, and this website is mainly for influencers. I mean, we're trying to persuade influencers, we want them to come on our team. That's what we're focused on doing, is building our influencer team. And I hope this kept things simple here. I'm going to be adding animations, but I just wanted to announce that I launched another product here, another update, and we're getting really excited to get this out in the App Store, and it should be out soon. But this is pretty much like the new version of what we're doing and the new vision, and I'm really excited. And Webflow made this really easy to create, and I can't thank them enough. But that's pretty much for this episode. I will be I'll be creating other episodes around new products that I launch or create through my software development studio, and I'll continue to document that along with the other achievements and milestones as well. So I appreciate everyone that has subscribed and who is listening. I will see you in the next show, whatever one you are watching, but I will have some suggestions at the end of this episode. So have a great day, and I'll see you later.